Hey guys, so I'm so excited today as we are heading inside the Gourmet Bazaar, which is happening at Jai Mahal. I am so excited to be here. I can't wait to check out. There's so much in fashion as well as lifestyle and food stalls as well. They are giving a lot of shout out to homegrown brands as well as chefs and new bakers. A lot of pop-ups. I wanted to take you guys along with me around what's happening in Bangalore, so let's go inside.
It's a real indulgent for eggless
I like it.
lovers.
I'm more of a person who likes honey and all, but this is
It's
good.
loaded with pesto and potato. So
This time it's going to be a different vlog where we are going to do founder's point of view. So get a coffee, sit back, relax, and hope you enjoy the vlog. And don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and wait for more. Guess who I spotted? So right now we are at the stall of
Clover. Hi guys.
Hey guys, what's special about you guys?
So we sell these really premium chunky NYC style cookies with fillings like smooths, Nutella, Biscoff and so on. So we source all our ingredients from outside India. So that makes it really melt in your mouth.
And what's the best product?
Personally, I love Double Duck, but our best selling is pistachio. But I would always lean towards our yummy brookies and our brownies.
Oh, that's so yum. And one more thing, in the bazaar, I found that you guys are the youngest founders. That's so inspiring. So I've come here for more. I can't believe from an Instagram page you guys started and today you have a stall at the bazaar.
This is our first stall, but you could always find us on Instagram at clover.blr or WhatsApp us to place your order. We deliver across Bangalore.
That's awesome. So I'm going to link everything down below and also give you the QR code which you can scan. So I hope you guys and I will enjoy some cookies. The Good Kind is here, which is one of my favorite protein brands, which I found in Namu's market. I'm so happy you guys are here.
Done. All the best. Thank you.
Hi, so can you introduce yourself?
Absolutely. Hi, I'm Nishant. I'm the founder of River and Hills Chocolate. So we are a bean to bar company, and today at Gourmet Bazaar we are showcasing some of our B2C creations. It's all the way from the cacao fruit, which is processed to make these cacao roasted beans, which is further processed, and we have some of these nips which are very flavorful. Take a sniff.
Oh wow, it actually smells so good.
It does, right?
Yeah, it has like a coffee as well as a chocolate note to it.
It does. So what happens is we use only these nips, some cacao butter which is pressed from this liquor.
Yeah,
Smell
and
it?
this usually butter is the first one which is before it becomes chocolate.
So what happens is these nips are ground in a refiner.
Oh, nice.
And the melted liquor is pressed in a hydraulic press. The liquor that comes out is the butter.
Oh, nice.
So this is the purest form. It melts in your hand. So
Okay.
what we do is we use these 3 ingredients along with organic cane sugar, and we make creations which are 50, 60, 70 and 80% chocolates. We also have 100%.
Okay.
And these are some of our exclusive collections. It's all hand painted.
Oh wow.
So we have an in-house artist who does all that.
And how can like I eat this hand painted one?
These are edible dust.
Oh wow.
So like how you have these gold foils, for example, this is actually a gold chocolate. Especially when Modi ji said, no, conserve gold, eat chocolate instead. So some of these are just our creations. So
Okay.
today what we have in store are more of these over here. So these are actual bars of chocolate. They're all 60, 50%. We have some interesting fruit and nut bars. We have some almond clusters. And then we have some curated boxes as well, along with all of these creations.
Oh, that's really nice. It's so pretty though.
Thank you.
Very simple and very minimalistic and nice.
These are inspired by the mountains. I was in the Himalayas for a while, so inspired by the mountains.
Oh, but nice.
So that's just the design element of it.
That's so nice. That's really nice. Wow, and these are your boxes as well.
Yeah,
and even
some
the
of our boxes.
packaging is really good, you know. So where can they find you?
So right now you'll have to DM us, but you can reach out to us on Insta.
Yeah.
In the next couple of months, we'll be available on all e-commerce platforms.
That's awesome. So
As of now, B2B, but we're just testing out our products in B2C because today is our soft launch.
that's so nice, you know. I'm so glad I met you guys, and I'm gonna link the Instagram below. If anyone wants to contact them, you can contact them directly on Instagram, and from there we all can enjoy chocolate.
Thank you very much.
Hi, is this you're wearing your collection?
Okay, so we are a resort wear label and we've just launched. It's been about 6 months. This is our very first collection. So we do dresses and quad sets. It's all very breezy. It's all very feminine. A lot of easy silhouettes. Very comfortable for women.
Which
So-
I can see. You guys
Yes,
look lovely
yes,
and
thank you.
comfy.
Thank you, thank you. So you should check out our brand, and it's called Vault N3. We have an Instagram page and we're an online store. So you should check us out.
That's so.
I have a fashion degree, background in fashion, and we've both always had a love for styling and for like clothes in general. We've always been big shoppers, love dressing up. So this is just something that we've always wanted to do, and we finally were able to pull it together. This is one of our best sellers. This one and the yellow one. So this is a two-piece. It comes with shorts underneath, and it looks very pretty like that. It's got a very shimmery texture and fabric, if you can notice. The waist belt as well. It's like an extra frilly waist belt.
I'm wearing one of their collection. This is Butterbell. It has a corset at the back and has a bow and has puff sleeves. You can see the Hakobar material as well.
So pretty. It looks better than hanging there. So I think it's an example of you have to wear
it on.
something to know whether it looks good.
Yeah.
No? So that's really.
Cakes and desserts.
You can tell. That Mike.
So we specialize in desserts and cakes. So right now we have the hot selling chutney pudi roll.
Oh.
I think you'll like it a lot.
Oh.
And then we have Fulentine Crunch for sampling. There's Belgium chocolate, mango, Ispahan. Ispahan is like lychee and rose milk and raspberry.
Oh,
And then
nice.
we have the cookies, s'mores and Nutella. And then we have our last four Isis and Matilda. These are the mango basque.
Oh, that's nice. And what is your best one?
Fulentine Crunch.
Okay. Hi, so tell me, what are you guys?
Yeah, I'm Shruti, founder of Nutted Bites. I'm basically from Chintamani, where peanuts are famous, and it has an 100 years legacy. It is an old roast method. We use it hand roasted, and from those peanuts we do super seeds peanut butter, crunchy peanut butter, and protein bites. We don't use any sugar, any oil, or any ghee in all of our products. And in protein bites, 8 grams protein per laddu. You can use as a gym pre-workout or any post-workout or as a snacking. Anything can be used as protein bites. And for this is super seeds peanut butter. You don't get anywhere in the market. This is very special and it is completely homemade. And we have chili peanuts and the chicky bites. This is also.
And which is your best product?
Best product is our super seeds peanut butter. Is completely different what you get from the market. You ever get this like peanut butter and this protein bites. These two are the highlight of our products.
Oh yeah, and everyone's into the protein laddus, so I think people will definitely come for the protein bites. Can't wait to try out.
Thank you.
Want to tell something? No Trash Coffee. What a cool name.
So we are actually a micro lot coffee brand. So each of our lots are done by a single roaster. So once we are done with the roast, we don't have that coffee anymore. So like we had Daily 01, which we also have it on our machine today on the classic coffees, and we also have some cold brew with Daily 01, which is roasted by Salman, and it's from Salavara Estate. But for our Daily 02, which we have launched today, that is this one, which we launched today.
Wow.
So we basically roasted with Anup Singh, and this is from a different estate. So what we do is we encourage roasters to reach out to us and roast their lot, and we're going to market them. No holding back on, no gatekeeping on the estate or where it's from. We give full leverage to the roaster, where they would like to roast and how they'd like to come up with. So,
and where can we find you if someone wants?
We are live on our website called notrashcoffee.com, and we also on our Instagram is where we do our drops. So you can reach out to us on Instagram as well. So we do have some bit of Daily 01, so grab it before it goes away.
Awesome.
Yeah, Daily 2 is not. Yeah, right here. You are good.
It's very simple, it's just no trash coffee.
Hi guys, today I found a really pretty brand which I was attracted to, and second thing, you look lovely wearing it, so I thought I should tell you guys that I met the founder. And you want to introduce yourself?
Yeah. Hi, my name is Kanishka. Hi, my name is Kanishka. So we have started this Blush Knot. We have recently launched this one, very recent, like in April only we have launched the website. So here, this is our first pop-up.
And what inspired you to make your brand?
Actually,
and what's special about it?
Actually, I always wanted to build something.
You keep talking, I'll show them.
Okay. I always wanted to keep something, make something like which can make people, at least a girl like us, more than 30 years or around 25 plus years, because they always look for something which is very comfortable, although and at least it has some style and a good prints that can go in any kind of thing. Either you are going for the outing or for a cafe date or any. It can go with any mall hopping also.
Exactly. You know what I can see, you guys? I can see like a lot of summer is there in their collection.
Yeah.
And what attracted me was the vibrant colors.
Yeah.
So I was like, I have to come and check your store out. And I'm so glad the fact that you guys have just opened. I want everyone to know about them. And where can we find you?
You can find it on Instagram with a Blush Knot as a handle, and also in www.blushnot.com. You can directly check it out, the website.
That's awesome. Lovely pieces. I feel like everyone deserves these kind of, fabric as well as summer style.